What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, guess who I finally got? Big Lou with a big truck. But before we start this video, Big Lou wanted some of the reverse lights. So I got him some reverse lights, and Big Lou has the regular halogen bulb that comes in that truck. And I must say, we just did one side right now.
Dude.
Wow. It's pretty crazy. And we put Lou's cover, new tonneau cover on. I'll show you that too real quick. Let's go check it out. Man, this thing is just... I mean, these are 37s, guys, and they look like they're 33s.
Yeah, compared to the truck, fuck.
Yeah, I mean, these tires... Oh, hey, we got some rain coming. Okay, all right. So, I mean, look at this. These tires are tiny. Lou, I don't know, man.
Maybe 38s?
What do you guys think? 38s, 40s? Comment down below. Should he go 38s or 40s? Because, I don't know. These look a little small, man.
Yeah.
But what about your old tires, your RTs?
All right, those are for sale. I mean, I'm taking them somewhere else. I might sell them there, but, I mean, we can post them on the channel.
On the channel, yeah, let you guys know. What are they, 35, 12, 50, 20?
Yeah.
RTs?
RTs, Toyos.
How many miles are on there?
Like 5,000 miles.
They'll say they're new, aren't they?
Yeah, they're brand new.
Okay, so if you guys are interested, comment down below. Actually, no, DM Lou, because you guys comment down below. And are you?
On Instagram.
I was gonna say, do you even have Instagram?
I don't have Instagram.
What kind of human are you with no Instagram?
Dude, I'm prehistoric, you know?
What the hell? Do you have any social media contact?
I have Snapchat, but I don't think
Oh my! Okay, how can they get a hold of you if they're interested in the RTs?
You guys can text me at my phone number, 619.
Are you sure you want to put your number on there? No, I won't put your number on there. Don't put your number.
Just email me.
Okay, what's your email?
It's Lewis, Lewis, Salem, Salem, 89 @gmail.com.
And I will put his email down in the description below for you guys so you can email him. And also, your old BDS kit is still for sale.
Still for sale. Yeah, I just got it uninstalled right now, so I'm gonna
okay,
go pick
perfect.
it up on this week or next week.
Okay, so I will give you guys, or actually just email him if you're interested in that kit also below. But right now, his new cover is finally on. You can see how these covers are supposed to look. Again, thank you, Revolver and Back Industries. I appreciate the free tonneau cover that you guys warrantied out here for Lou. But yeah, it looks good now. Hopefully, this will last a lot longer. According to Back, they have a new vinyl, a bunch of new stuff, and it's not supposed to happen like that again anymore. So we're going to see. Today, we just put it on. Here's the old one. We're going to throw it away.
So stiff and new.
Yeah, it's nice and new now. So, but I want to show you guys real quick before I talk about the truck. I want to show you the halogen bulb compared to that LED bulb. Here is still, yeah, the halogen one is still in here. So, Big Lou, let's start this truck up and do a little difference here. Holy crap. So, here's the halogen, guys, right here. Just your regular yellow. And, well, here, wow. That's all I got to say is, wow. And it's daylight. And, I mean, this is bright. It's extremely bright. I will say, and I will give it to this company, they do make a good LED reverse light. I know some of you in my last video, you guys were talking about the fog lights. I haven't told Lewis about those fog lights yet, but I'm going to let him know. I think me and Big Lou are going to grab some of those fog lights. I am just wondering if they are going to be brighter than an HID light, because I got HIDs in here. Everybody said you can't put HIDs because it will melt. Well, looks like a little bit right there, but on the outside it's good. There's no melting. These HIDs are crazy, crazy bright. That's one thing why I like these HIDs. But I know Big Lou is going to start putting lights on his truck because he still has the orange lights up top. We got to replace those for him. We're going to replace his verse lights right now. He's got the rigid. You guys asked what do we run in the rear. We run the diffused in the rear because the diffused puts out the most light and, you know, pretty much a huge range of circles. So instead of it, you know, being a spot or a driving light where it puts out like a beam here or a beam down here, this thing floods the whole area with light. So if you guys are interested in reverse lights, I would go with the rigid diffused because they put out much, much more light than the driving or the spot. Okay, but first, we gotta go take Big Lou's truck and, well, are you hungry?
I'm down.
go get like a burrito. Go to Manana's, get a burrito. Got to go pick up some fertilizer for the gardener, I guess. And, you know, I want to drive Lewis's truck and see. I personally have never driven a truck with this BDS kit on it, even when Lewis had his older kit on there. But he says this kit drives much better.
Much better than when it was stock. How about that?
Than it was stock. Okay, but what? So you're saying your old kit, your BDS, wasn't this smooth, or?
Wait, I can't see you.
I can't see you either. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
What?
No, my 3.5 inch BDS kit was smooth. It wasn't bad, but for like I'm speaking in sense of a lifted truck more than 4 or 5 inches. I've driven you know, the Alcalator, and that wasn't as smooth as this. Just for its height, it rides like incredible.
Well, I think I'll be the judge of that. So let's get in the all Dirty Max here and go take it for a test drive. Okay, I don't know how in the hell, like, this is retarded. I mean, come on, really? Oh, you gotta get amp steps, dude. What the heck are you waiting for? Christmas? Christmas is over.
Basically, next Christmas.
When do you get amp steps, man?
I don't know. When the money comes in.
Okay, well, can we get this money in here a little quicker?
Yeah, well,
because
whoever buys my BDS car, I'll buy amp steps.
Oh, there you go. What? How do you have bird shit on your cop radar thing? How?
No.
What the hell is that?
So
did you get excited or
no,
what, man? What's going on here?
The seal fell
off.
off.
Dirk Diggler action or what?
The seal fell off and it like ejected and fell into my coffee one time.
Oh, ejectocito.
Yeah,
Or ejecto radar. Okay. All right, let's go. Jeez, whoa. Gotta put the seat forward a little bit. Big Lou over here ordering his pork butt and his 50,000 pounds of food.
Call him. Tell him you want 3 pork butts, 2 tri-tips, and 3 salmons.
Ooh, I can't wait to
That's
go
what
eat
you
at
have
Big
to eat.
Lou's tonight. Well, guys, been driving it for about 5 minutes. So far, so good. Very, very smooth, I must say. But I do not miss these mud terrains, man. I'm sorry. That noise. It's not bad, but because I'm so used to the RTs, it's just I don't know. I kind of got sick and tired of the noise.
I would have got RTs, but the MTs were I got them for like $15 a tire cheaper. So
The MTs were cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah, the people they're out there. They're taxing for the RTs for sure. I think those RTs are getting popular.
Yeah.
But no, so far I'm liking it, man. It's very smooth. It's way better in stock. I mean, way better in stock.
Soaks up everything.
Yeah, and I mean we're sitting up high.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm on top of the world over here.
Kind of nice.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm kind of getting irritated with my truck. I don't know what to do. I'm not sure if I need to buy a new truck or get the CST kit from 7 to 9, but then I have to go like 40s.
Go 40s.
Gosh, man, you guys, between you and the Alcalator, you guys are killing me over
We're driving
here.
you crazy.
Man. All right, well, besides me, we are finally back, and besides me hating to pull this truck up next to mine, why does mine look so small? I don't get it. Is this thing that big?
It's a big boy. I'm 6'2". Man, this thing is pretty big.
Pretty tall. All right, guys, so Big Lou has finally finished this thing. Tell us about it. What do you got?
So I had an EGT probe, I had a trade horn, redid some wiring, remounted some switches, and now we got the big BDS kit on. It's a 6.5 inch kit, complete coilover, and some 37s.
And excuse me, guys, if you guys hear little stuff laughing, that's him. That's not me and Lewis watching anything. That's my son over there eating some Funyuns, and not sure what he's watching.
Peppa Pig.
Oh, Peppa, okay. And his brother George.
Yeah, George. And then we got the LED reverse lights and the new top.
Oh, yeah, we forgot about that.
Brights up the whole world. But yeah, this is where the money's at, you know? Look at that.
The money
big,
shot.
Look at that big coil over there.
Damn.
Yeah.
So, tires, you got rid of the RTs and went empties.
Yeah, because I got it for like 10 or 15.
You said you were saving money. And these are what? A 30, bless you. A 37.
30, 37, 12.5.
Whew, did you rip one, man?
No, man.
They are I think those carne asada fries are kicking in.
Yeah, for you. Yeah, 37, 12.5 by 20.
Why'd you go 12 and a half and not 13 and a half?
I just didn't want to rub at all. Like,
Oh, so you're worried about rubbing.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing. Because the reason why I went higher was because of the rubbing. And because it looks better, but mostly because of the rubbing too.
Okay, and I know a lot of you guys asked me, Eddie, why didn't you run the BDS kit? You were talking about it. The only reason I didn't go with this kit is because with BDS, you have to run a 0 offset rim. I did not want to run a 0 offset, so that's the whole reason why I did not go with the BDS kit. But, I mean, you can see, you know, there is not much of a difference. I mean, yeah, well, there's a little bit, but compared to Lewis, so this is a 12.5. This rim is a 0 offset. It's a 20 by what, 9 or 10?
I think 9. 20
by 9. And, I mean, it doesn't stick out too far, but compared to mine is a 20 by 9 with a plus 18 offset, and they're 37, 13, 50. So, I mean, you see, there's a difference, but not much of a difference between, you know, a 0 offset and a plus 18 offset. It's very minimal. And, I mean, Lewis's tires don't stick out that much. It's still clean, you know, it doesn't, the tires that, you know, come out to here, and I don't think he's going to have to worry about rock chips much. Maybe, you know, if he gets one stuck in here and it does go shooting out the side, that might be the only problem. But other than that, I got to say, Lou, this thing looks good, man. Yep. What size block did you put in the back?
So 4 inch.
4 inch? And then you put the spacers for your airbags in the back?
Yeah, I watched that video that you did with the re-gearing and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, you gotta have spacers.
I put that block in. Put the extra spacer or whatever it was for the airbag to sit proper.
Nice, yes. Very nice, very nice.
Yep.
I must say, she looks good.
Better get wrapped soon, too.
Oh, yeah, you're wrapping her, huh?
Yeah, Nardo Gray.
Ooh!
Thank you, Avery Dennison. I really appreciate it.
I don't know who that is, but all right.
Yep.
Anything else you're going to do to this thing?
Probably re-gearing.
Oh, you're thinking about re-gearing, huh? Yeah, guys, you know, when I test drove it drove really, really good, very smooth. But, man, it's crazy the difference between a truck on 37s that's been re-geared and a truck on 37s that's not been re-geared. It holds and stays in the gear for an extremely longer period of time than this truck, my truck, does. But on, you know, that note, it still drives amazing, still drives smooth, beautiful truck. It's a little hard to get in and out of, but I mean, again, that's because I'm so short and, you know, I'm not 6'2", but I'm sure once he gets the amped power steps, it will be much, much easier. I like what they did with the front end, and you can actually see it this time. You know, before you couldn't see anything because it was so low. What are you going to do with this little situation you got going on?
I got the plastic piece. Did you ever post that video of us going muddy?
I think I did.
Yeah, well, there's a video of me and Eddie and...
oh, no, wait, did we?
I think it was like on your other YouTube channel. The old one.
I don't know. I think I did post it. Is that when we left the trucks there overnight? Yeah, I posted that one. I think it was called Worst Mudding Experience.
Yeah, so I had the Valence called, and I had it here, and there was literally
like a long stick or branch?
Yeah, like this big and this wide. I just was just stuck, like literally right here.
I remember that. I wish we had a photo of that.
I know, I didn't take a picture of it, but I ordered the piece for it. I'm going to put it on right now. And I'm going to do the rear diff cover too.
Oh. Yeah. There you have it, guys. If you are interested in Lewis's tires, I'll put his email down in the description. Yeah. And if you're interested in his BDS kit, I'll put his link down in the description. Also, what size was your old BDS kit?
2 to 3.5.
2 to 3.5. Okay. So that's his old one, if you guys are interested in that. But that's all we got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.